So the recent issue with uploading files to Haiku has been a good impetus for me to make this screencast, which I've been meaning to make for a little while, which is to share how to use the Google Drive folders and links to create a space where you can put large files, images, PowerPoint, videos into Google Drive, where we have unlimited storage now, and share them with students in a way which I would argue is actually more organized and maybe easier to manipulate than using Haiku. So if you see my page here on the screen, you can see for Unit 4 that I have a block on top, and this would be the case for every unit, where you can see all images and Unit 4 images. I'm going to click on the All Images button here, and this is the folder view that students would see. Okay, they have permission to view all of these folders and everything in them. So going back in time to Unit 3, they could see all the different days, and the way I do my syllabus 3A, 3B, they could see images for these different days. So a click there would show them the different images that you'd have for that space. For videos that I put into this space, so for instance, right now we're doing replication, transcription, translation. I may have some videos that would be good there. These videos, when clicked, can actually be viewed right in the space here. And so this is something that allows you to not have to
The
wait
central dogma of molecular
to
biology.
load them up to YouTube. So you can put images into this space and again put them as associated with a specific day. To do this, I'm now going to go to the Drive folder itself. Here are the images for this day that you can see in place. The key thing is that I have to make sure that this is something that is shared with people who have this link. So the link is here, and anyone at Westminster School with a link can view. And so when I click on this link I can put right into Haiku. And then to create a new folder, going back here, if I have, this is my Unit 4, I could create a new folder. This would be my 4E is actually going to be a quiz, so 4F would be viruses and bacteria. And as I said, using this folder might actually be easier than putting it into Haiku, because I can simply drag and drop. So if I have images already in some space, okay, so going here to molecular genetics and viruses, I may want to use all of these. I'm not actually sure what I want to use, but let's just say I wanted to use all of these. I can drop them right into this space, and once that is taken, let's see if I can do this here. You can see now it says incoming, and I can just drag and drop them right into that space. That file folder is now going to be populated with those images, and the link is live in Haiku, and we'll be able to bring students there. So now when students click on Unit 4, the 4F folder that I just created in that space is now there, and the images as they're coming in will be populated in that folder. So that's a way to use Google Drive and the links within Haiku to create a folder structure for these large files that you might have associated with specific classes.